Shemai everyone, it's JonnyVR here and this is my wife Rebeca.
Oi pessoal!
And we are in Disneyland Paris. We just arrived and in the background we've got our hotel. We're staying in the Santa Fe. It's a nice day outside. It's around about 2 o'clock now, so we're gonna go into the parks. Oh, hang on a second, my phone is ringing.
Well, Mr. VR, a little birdie told me that you were heading to Disneyland Paris, and I wasn't invited. I find this unacceptable. So, what I've decided to do is set you a little challenge. If you complete this challenge, then you're okay. Nothing bad's gonna happen. If you fail this challenge, however, though, you're gonna have to do a forfeit. So, the challenge is, I've given you a bingo board. Now you have to complete 5 tasks in either a row or a column or diagonally across the middle. So, these aren't just any ordinary tasks. They are different ones, so you might have to ride a ride, you might have to select a certain snack. You have to complete it to what I think the answer is. Not so easy now, is it? But I'm going to throw you a bone. Because you're there for 3 days. 3 days! If you do all 25 tasks, you'll have a reward. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm not going to tell you what the forfeit is. Live in fear. But I hope you have a great holiday. See you soon. Bye.
Bye. Okay, Shaq, that's great. But I think you've misunderstood. It's not like I've come to Disneyland and didn't invite you. I come to Disneyland to get away from you. Nevertheless, I accept your challenge. Just got off the shuttle bus, making our way towards the parks. I can already see Walt Disney Studios there, the Hollywood Tower of Terror in the distance. Are you excited? You're looking the part, you're ready. Look at this, Disney princess shirt, Mickey, Minnie ears, and you made it. There it is. So already, this is why it's happening. You know it. You love it. Just walking up to the Disneyland Hotel, right? And yeah, we're gonna. I'm loving all this 30 anniversary posters, 30 years of Disneyland Paris, all the different characters like that. Got the statue in the middle, it's beautiful. Yes. Just about to go through the Disneyland Park. I wonder what time. Oh yeah, about 2:10. Yes. Time to touch our magic passes. Can we use that one? In you go. Give it a tap. Yeah. Man. Look at all the, the number 30 is everywhere. Yeah. I mean,
oh my god, I can't.
Yeah. we just coming on to the main street now. Alright. Stay on this side for me, well. Let's walk around here, just because I want to flip it around when we turn the corner, because that's where the castle is. Another 30th anniversary thing. Man, so much to see. I'm lost already. There's the city hall over there that I was told about. That's where we can get your badge, according to Gemma. She said we need to go to City Hall and get your badge for a first-time visitor.
Yes.
This is it.
This is all.
Look at that. That's it.
I'm reading you, oh my god.
I can flip around and show you. There it is. Main Street. There's the castle. Amazing. Perfect. Oh, zoomed in right to my face. Shall we get moving? Should we take the walk? Should we take the walk? Oh look, that's Walt's restaurant. We're going there later. Look at these cuboid trees. Trees in the shapes of cubes. I've seen it all now. So it's, you know, even though it's like 2 o'clock, just gone 2 o'clock, we've actually been like on a plane and we've been up early in the morning. So it's time for us to grab something to eat, and we're gonna go into the Pinocchio themed restaurant. Yeah, this one over here. Let's have a look.
Let's see how the full boards thing works, because
on our Magic Pass we have like 1 quick service meal and 1 table restaurant meal a day up to. So yeah, let's give it a go.
let's see how the full board works.
Yeah.
Man, I really need to bring mom here.
Yeah, oh, she's gonna love it.
Cry more than me. She's gonna cry more than me, I want her.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god, it's so cute! And we just watched Pinocchio in it!
Yeah. Okay, so first meal of the meal plan at a quick service restaurant is the roasted chicken for Rebecca. It comes with a drink, and I had the hot pretzel bun, comes with a drink, and also comes with the dessert. So I got the 30th anniversary treat, which I didn't know was included, and Rebecca had an ice cream.
The ice cream in the shape of Mickey.
Ice cream in the shape of Mickey, yeah. There you go, Mickey Mouse shaped ice cream. So we just finished our food. It was a nice atmosphere restaurant, quick service restaurant, but I didn't feel like I felt the atmosphere was very nice. And Rebecca's chicken looked huge.
It's half a chicken.
Massive. And somehow my like hot pretzel bun was more expensive on the menu. But I liked it. But if you don't like beetroot or gherkins, then don't have it, because you won't like it. Alright, so we're gonna go into the ride that's actually next door, which is the Pinocchio ride.
A little airplane there.
Here it is. This is our first little ride next to Easy one after lunch. Les Voyages de Pinocchio. So we just got in the line now. The time is 1 minute past 3. So we're going to see how much it is to wait for this one. Perhaps they have a most, but it doesn't look far. But it's a nice easy one after having just eaten, because I think it's just a slow track ride, you know, takes you around.
But it look kind of big. My first ride in Disneyland. My first one! Oh my god,
It's Jiminy Cricket! Strombo! Ah, it's Pleasure Island. Pleasure Island. Don't get turned into a donkey. Oh no!
yes!
There he is. I love the way he went.
Mona Lisa there.
Oh yeah.
Look at Mona Lisa. Come on, Stella from the moon.
Oh wow! Yeah, it changes direction quite quickly, isn't it? Oh. There you go. We just got off. The app said that would be a 25-minute wait. It was actually a 15-minute wait, so 10 minutes shorter, and the ride itself was about 3 minutes. So we are going to go do other things now. The magic what? The magic what? Are these magic carrots too? Are they magic Are they magic radishes? It's Mad Hatter's teacups over there. Gorgeous. So we're gonna make our way into Alice in Wonderland's The Curious Labyrinth. I just need to find out where the entrance is before we can get lost in it. Curiouser and curiouser.
Where should we go?
I don't know, but I'll tell you this, if this was in Wales it would be down by there, up by there, over by there, up by there, by there. Oh, watch out! What was that? I've now lost Rebecca in the maze. Ah, here she is.
Look who's there, look who's there.
What, you mean over there?
Oh look, is Alan Rickman?
Oh yeah.
His mouth moves.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Like he's doing this.
He's got perfect duck lips. He's giving the old smoochy smooch. Getting dizzy going around this one. Look at his eyes. Look at his eyes. There's craziness in those eyes. Gosh, I really hope the Queen of Hearts doesn't come and get us and chop off our heads.
Off for the heads!
Perfect. Let's go inside. Whoa.
Oh my god!
Oh wow. Oh. Maybe 30 minutes. What you think? You guess 20?
22.
It's time for It's a Small World. The time is now 3:52.
Oh my god, look at this line.
It looks long. We'll see if it really is 40-minute wait or whether it's you can see
It's worth it.
background. You can see that in the pool of It's a Small World there's like millions of coins. So we're gonna throw one in too. Ready? You got your coin? Ready? I got mine.
Go there.
Yeah, go. Go.
Thank you. I would not squeeze myself.
No. Anyway.
I'll say Portuguese. That is Portuguese. Here. Portuguese.
The little cow.
Oh my god. It's like it is the whole world, isn't it?
Exactly.
Oh my, London.
Yay, London.
We're home again. The Big Bang.
Yeah.
Toy Story.
Toy Story.
We have an
Sneak it
Easter
up.
egg.
Yeah.
We have an Easter egg. You can. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh, look at the panda eating the
yeah.
bamboo. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is beautiful!
So, one more little quick ride, I think, before the parade. We're on this one, I can't remember what it's called. Has a giant book.
Giant what?
Yeah, it has a giant book in next to it.
Bonjour et bienvenue pour votre sécurité.
Not perfect, but I'll get over it. Oh, the witch.
Oh yeah. Everything is tiny.
Oh, look, Rapunzel. Man, this looks fun. This one.
Hunchback and Notre Dame.
Yeah, it's him. Aladdin.
I love
Oh my gosh!
Cave of Wonders.
He's upside down, the GoPro.
It's not actually, I don't know why.
Look at the time.
I know that.
It's gonna swallow me. One of the things is broken. Look at his middle.
Oh, it's the...
Look how many stones.
The land. Oh, is it a ball?
You look cool, the hat. Oh, the Wizard of Oz. Did you get the whole wizard? Just go to the Wizard of Oz.
Okay, so we are now waiting, ready for the parade. I'll show you our view from the for the parade. We think we're in a good spot. The parade doesn't start for another like 35 minutes or so, but we're in a good spot. We're in the front, and if I flip the camera around, you can see there is it's a small world, which I believe they'll be coming from, and we are right by this massive towers, and you can see right next to us the castle. So I think this is going to be a great spot. Fingers crossed. I hope I got it. She said we could go upstairs. The table is ready. great!
That's why I have this hair.
So wait on the waiting list for we're in the line for Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. It's 7:53 and it says it's a 15-minute wait. So
15?
just 15.
It's gonna be 8.
Look, we're going into the cottage. Oh wow.
Le tour est joué.
So we just got off Snow White and Seven Dwarfs. It did actually only take about 10 minutes waiting, didn't it? But the craziest thing happened before when we were watching the parade, and it was a scorching day today, right? And for the only the 20 minutes of the parade, it started to absolutely pour down with rain and wind and everything, and my shirt got absolutely drenched like crazy, and I had to switch from the Osmo to the GoPro because the GoPro is waterproof.
It was really bad.
It was nuts. People started to run away and hide under the shelter. But thankfully it didn't last. It was literally only for the parade.
For the parade. Like the universe really wanted to wet everyone.
Yeah, but I was really happy because when Mickey Mouse himself passed on the first float, he saw my Mickey shirt, he pointed me out and he approved of it. So I hope that I managed to get that on a video. If not, then it's a memory that'll stay with me forever. Okay, so now we say goodbye to Fantasyland for the time being and make our way over to Discoveryland. Woo! Again? Who is it again?
Wally! I love Wally!
Yeah, I got one of my t-shirts is a Wally t-shirt, so definitely need to.
Little one. What is that?
Hyperspace Mountain.
Roller coaster.
Yeah.
Wanna go roller coaster?
We will do.
No, right now.
So we're gonna do Buzz Lightyear Loser Blast.
I want to scream until I lose my voice.
The board says 20 minutes. It's 2024. Let's see. Is it gonna be quick? It looks like I have a Space Ranger.
Très bien, Rangers de l'espace, écoutez attentivement. Zurg compte utiliser le générateur à cristaux fusion pour alimenter son arme.
L'arbre d'or de protection va faire de Sept automatiquement.
Yeah, there you go.
Space forward and sit back in your seat. Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly.
Look my score.
Whoa, I think about any.
I'm Brazilian.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers will now be restarted.
Did you feel my score? I tell you, I know how to shoot. Look at that.
Look how many having it. 6,000, 2,100.
Space Rangers.
Don't mess with me.
Oh, look at this, 9,000. It's
How did you get that? How did you get that? What, Jonathan?
Space Rangers, your space cruisers will now be restarted.
Attention, Space Rangers. You've landed on Planet Z. Be ready for anything.
Oh my god, look at his ball.
oh man, 36,000. Gotta say, 58,800 against 17,500. There was no contest in the end. It's time for Hyperspace Mountain in 15 minutes. Great.
Jonathan is here, afraid of the Space Mountain.
What are you talking about?
He's been to Disney many times and never done the wild ones.
I was young back then. I was a kid. I'm growing up.
15, guys, 15. The screams give me joy. Jonathan, are you afraid?
No, I'm ready for this.
Are you fearing for your life?
Not yet.
Let's do this. Oh my gosh!
Man.
Amazing! I lost my voice. That's how much I screamed in there. And for the girls, seriously, take your headbands out because mine flew away. I caught in the air. It was so cool. I want to go again.
Man,
What about you?
It was like what, 2-3 minutes of like
It's
rapid,
so
insane.
good. It's
Insanity.
amazing.
Man.
Seriously,
Wow.
worth it.
Still on the high from Hyperspace Mountain, we're going to take a nice calm trip into Starport for a very calm Star Tour.
My adrenaline is like, Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yeah.
It's like, Jonathan, it's like you're inside. It's like, oh my god, it's so good.
Hyperspace Mountain well and truly rattled my brains. Yeah. Ah.
L'invisible ne serait pas complète sans un petit détour. Eh oui, les vacances sur Tatooine, c'est le bonheur sous les deux soleils. Alors, appelez Star Tour et réservez vos billets dès aujourd'hui.
They talking to you. They replying. I lost my voice so completely. Oh my god. Mima.
Wait, these. Oh, you know these? You know, these are not the droids you're looking for.
You can call me Roger if you want to.
Hi, Roger. We calling you Roger, Roger.
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 Roger. We're ready for Star Tours.
Oh, swear.
I am ready for Star Tours. They're getting our ship ready, that's our ship. Star Tours complete.
Really
We
good.
took a tour from the galaxy. It was really good. You know, a bit dangerous, but you know, maybe a few like safety regulations maybe being followed, but otherwise solid. Lights in the sky. Batman, is that you?
Aliens.
Aliens.
The big brother is watching us.
The man almost lost control of the buggy there. It's nice, the night lights in it.
Yeah, Discoveryland is. I mean, we only really saw this park at night so far, but it's nice.
Et maintenant, Disney Delight. And now, Disney Delight.
Il y a tellement de magie et de lumière à l'intérieur de nos rêves.
One is every place. Are you okay? Oh, he said he loves us. First day done, and we're turning in for the night at Hotel
I'm
Santa
dehydrated.
Fe. Yeah, we.
Not because I didn't drink water. Because I cried too much.
two whole buckets.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Exhausted too.
So we just picked up our bags that we left in luggage, and like
What is the number?
we're in number 44.
44.
And this is the first time we'll see the room as well, since we've been out in the park all day, so stay tuned.
It's really cute. Really cute. Look at the shadows on the hotel. You see the shadows? Yeah, little car.
Okay, here's our room, 211. You have the key. There we go.
Go, welcome.
Welcome to our little room for the weekend. Oh, how cool is that?
Turn the lights on, boy. Ooh, no.
Bathroom complete with the checkered bathroom is complete with racing checkered flags and mirror with bright lights. There's me